Right now we're in an aviary. See if we can see any little birds. Looks like they got some food. Oh, I heard something. Heard a quail. Pretty. And bird feeders there. I hear a dove. I don't see any birds yet. I hear them, but I don't see them. Huh? No, I hear them, but I don't see them.
Unless they're pumping music in it.
Right. It's an aviary, so there should be some birds around. Very pretty place. Oh, there it is. There's a white-winged dove. Let's see. There's a bird, I guess, right here. There it is. Wow, look at that little guy. Wow, what a pretty little bird. Looks like it's a type of oriole or something. Huh. There's a white-winged dove right here. Just eaten. If I were to see these guys in the wild, they would fly away. But these guys are very not afraid of people right now. Taking a nice little eat. There's another little bird. Let's see if we can find something else. You can hear them. Those are white-winged dove sounds. The doves are everywhere. Yeah, there's a white-winged dove right here. He's right above your head.
Yeah. That's what we're hearing.
There's so many white-winged doves. They're just making all kinds of noises. Pretty. Oh, yeah, I can see them. There's tons of birds up there. Yeah, right. It's pretty.
We need to go talk to some more birds.
What a pretty place.
That's all I'm saying.
Yeah, they're all in there. Look at those little guys. One's just grooming its tail. Wow, a cool little place in this cool bench. Very pretty.